Assalamu alaikum and good morning, class. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. And how was your Eid? I hope you all enjoyed it a lot. Now, let's back to the studies. So, today we are going to discuss about words time and different biomes of the word. So, first we will discuss about why do different places in the world have different times? For that, first let's talk about our planet, the Earth. As you all know that Earth is always moving, it spins like a ball. This spinning of the Earth is called rotation. Earth takes 24 hours to complete one full turn. That's why we have day and night. Let's think about this. If Earth makes a full circle of 360 degrees and 24 hours, so if we divide it in 1 hour, Earth turns 15 degrees. This means that for every 15 degrees of distance, the time changes by 1 hour. Next, let's understand the direction. Earth rotates from west to east. It means the Earth rotates anti clockwise. That's why the sun rises first in the east. So, places in the east see morning earlier. Now, come to the most important point. Places in the east are ahead in time, means forward in time, and places in the west are behind in the time. For example, if it is 9 a.m. in Karachi, it will be later in countries to the east and earlier in countries to the west. As you people can see the time zone map on page number 53, which is telling us the different time zones of the world. Now find Lahore on the map. You can see that it is the time zone that is plus 5 hours ahead of London, making it 17 or 5 p.m. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. Now find New York on the map. It is in the time zone that is minus 5 hours behind London, making this 7 or 7 a.m. Means if we minus 5 from 12, we will get 7. Now look, there is an exercise on page number 53 related to this map. Write the answers in your notebook. You have to do it on the book. Use the time zone map to answer these questions. If it is 12 in London, how many hours do you add to work out the time in these places? Here, in first question, you have to add the number like Mexico. Let's look on the map. Where is Mexico? Mexico is on plus 3. So if we will add plus 3, so it means in Mexico there is 3 p.m. And in question number 2, you have from 12, and this is your activity for today's. You have to do it by yourself. Now let's learn some fun facts about time zones. On page number 53, there is a fact Russia and the USA are large countries. They each have 9 different time zones. Although China is a large country, it only uses one time zone. As you can see, the Russian map on the map, which is telling us about different time zones in Russia with different colors, it means that in one part of the country it can be morning and in another part it can be afternoon or evening. But the China, although it is a large country, but it is following only one time zone. So even if the sun rises earlier in one area, everyone follows the same clock time. Look at the map. This map shows the time zones of Russia. You can see different colors. Each color shows a different time zone. So when people in Western Russia are waking up, people in Eastern Russia may already be in the afternoon. Next, we are going to discuss about the words plants and animals. For that, we should know about that what is biome. A biome is a type of habitat found in an area. It is defined by its climate, plants, and animals. It means different climates have different plants and animals. There are different types of biomes in the world. Some important ones are desert, which are very hot and dry, very few plants grow there. Second is rainforest, which is hot and rainy, and many plants and animals are found there. The third one is grasslands, where a lot of grass is present with few trees. Tundras are very cold areas with very less or no trees. Next heading is tropical rainforest. So tropical rainforests are found near the equator, means these areas are hot with lots of rain which helps plants to grow quickly. The rainforests are very thick and many thousands of different types of plants and animals live there. The rainforests are very important for us. The trees produce lots of oxygen, which is the gas and we need to breathe. However, scientists are worried that too much of the world's rainforest is being cut down for farming or logging. Once the forest has been cut down, it does not grow back as it was before. So we should stop cutting the trees. Next heading is about tropical savannas and desert. So let's discuss about savannas first. So savannas are grasslands, large areas of grass with a few trees. Tropical savannas are hot all years round and have a wet and a dry season. Now, the second is deserts. Deserts have very little rainfall and few plants. They cover over one fifth of the world and are found on every continent. Deserts can be hot or cold. They can be sandy or rocky. The largest hot desert in the world is the Sahara in Africa. Temperatures in the Sahara can be 50 degrees Celsius during the day. The Gobi Desert, kindly underline these lines. The Gobi Desert in Asia is a cold desert. Temperatures in this desert can fall to minus 40 degrees Celsius. Desert plants and animals can live without much water. Next heading is about chaparrals and grasslands. Chaparral is found on the west coast of the continent between 32 degree and 40 degree latitude north and south. These areas are hot and dry with rain only falling during 2 to 4 months of the year. Most of the plants have small hard leaves that help keep in water. Grasslands have mainly grasses growing with very few trees. Most grasslands are flat. These grassland areas have different names in different parts of the world. Like USA, the grasslands are known as Paris. In Europe and Asia, these grasslands are known as steppes. And in South America, these grasslands are known as pampas. This is enough for today. See you in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care.